Hi kids! Today we're gonna make a trick-or-treat bag. For this you need orange construction paper, some spooky stickers, red satin ribbon, some glue, a pair of scissors, a black marker, and double-sided tape. I think making your own bag is so much better than picking up a ready-made bag from the supermarket. Alright, so let's start. Take a piece of rectangular orange construction paper. As you can see, I've taken a slightly bigger one to fit more treats into my bag. Watch how I fold it from the center and add some glue to the two sides. Press firmly, leaving one side open. Take a piece of satin ribbon and watch how I stick it into the sides of the open end with a double-sided tape. Repeat it with the other piece of satin ribbon, and your bag is now ready with its handles. Now for the decorations. I've written trick or treat in this way. And added scary stickers. Okay, I'm gonna go trick-or-treating now. See you soon!